Hey everyone, Walton here, wanting to do a quick bit about chatgpt and using it to create content. Should you do it? Should you not? Is it cheating? Well, in my opinion, the tools are there to be used. So if everyone's using them, then you've got to jump on board. But the key thing is, I think with chatgpt is context. So the tool can't provide context. Yep, you can ask it a question and you can give it some parameters and criteria, but it really does take a human to read what the output of chatgpt is and create context around it, put in real examples from their experience, check that the information is actually right and it hasn't just sourced it from a bunch of crap basically. So should you use chatgpt to create your content, whether it be articles, Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts? Yeah, for sure. But make sure you don't just blindly cut and paste what it's produced and stick it in the social media engine. It'll be, one, probably quite boring, and two, it won't have that real human touch, that human feel like it's written by a human. And everyone will know. It'll be pretty easy to pick up on the fact that it's just kind of blah, regurgitated some stuff.